try to understand about key pair authentication system. This key pair authentication, it is provided as an alternative to your username and password authentication method, and it is mainly used for connecting to your Snowflake clients and not to your Snowsite UI directly. So if you want to connect to your JDBC, ODBC drivers, in that case, you need to use your key pair authentication. What exactly is this? Key pair authentication method. It has a pair of cryptographic keys. One key is public key, one key is a private key. Now, you need not go into depth related to key pair authentication, but just try to understand that it is used to connect to your Snowflake clients. What are the clients? These are the clients. .NET, Node.js, ODBC, JDBC driver. Basically, all of your connectors, all of your drivers, and your SnowSQL, which is your command line interface. Now, here the things to remember are, it is used to connect to your clients. Next, it is provided as an alternative to your traditional username and password login methods. Third is it uses a 2048-bit RAC key pair. So these are cryptographic keys which are 2048-bit. One is a public key, another one is a private key.